Yo dudes, it's edisoniQ here. I've made a paper pistol. It's not exactly a trigger shooter, but you have to blow it over the top barrel. And it's a good gun because I've made these bullets. Hang on, just get them out of my pocket. Six paper dart bullets. You put them in this pocket here.
Edison, want to read full frame? Remember?
Don't you remember? Fish's one. And here goes.
Small one.
Like that.
Oh, what fell?
Paper fish fell.